Alright guys, what's going on? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Today I'm at the, oh, my stuff is messed up. I'm at the Equip Expo 2025 and today I'm showcasing Mean Green Mowers. Guys, let me tell you, electric is the way that everything is going right now. So I'm gonna have one of the reps just kind of talk a little bit about their equipment. And if you have any questions at the end of this video, just put them in the comment section and we'll go ahead and try to answer them as much as possible, right? Without further ado, I have Mr. David, which is a Mean Green rep. He's gonna walk us through, give us a meat and potato of what we have.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going, guys? This is David McLean with Mean Green. It's a pleasure to have you guys stopping by and checking us out. We have a lot of cool toys. We have a lot of battery-powered cool toys ready to hit the market. This has been around. This is not their first rodeo. Mean Green has been in business for 15 plus years, originating out of Ohio, with manufacturing in Wisconsin. And we have a lot of good toys that we want to kind of go over one by one and share some information with you on. So the first unit here that we have is the Rival unit here. With the Rival, you have your very familiar build when you compare it to other zero-turn mowers out there. This is a 60-inch deck that we're looking at here. All battery powered, gives you 8 hours runtime. So you're plug and play ready to go. Very minimal to no maintenance on this unit. When we look at this unit inside out, you're really just gonna be doing blades maintenance and plug and play.
I see that you have sort of like a tweel type of tire in the front. Is that an additional item, or do they all come?
That comes standard with all the units, tweels on the front, minus the 36 that has the air tires in the front. Okay. But all the bigger units will have the tweel standard in the front with the option to do tweels in the rear as well.
Okay, awesome. Can we check out the autonomous one in the back there? Am I correct? This is an autonomous?
Autonomous. So What's really cool about this here is that you have the capability to do autonomous operation as well as manual operation. And so this unit here, you'll essentially pull up to your job site, wherever you're gonna do your work for the day, map out your area one time, and now you have your area mapped out and ready to go, and let this unit put in the work for you. At any time that you wanna have intervene manually, you can jump on it and use it yourself as well. So you're really killing two birds with one stone here, being able to do manual and autonomous.
And does it have like animal and people avoidance sensors?
It does. So it's very good and very smart. There we see on the TV display there, it's seeing everything that's happening around this unit. Has 360 view, so we're not worried about it coming in contact with anything. It's going to notice something is close by and stop right away and shut off any blades that's running on it. So safety-wise, it's very prepared for that.
Okay, awesome.
Then over here we have the same unit, essentially, the Vanquish as well, minus we don't have the autonomy capability on this one. So it's all manual. But for those folks that prefer the stand-on, this unit is great for getting on, getting off quickly, and gives you everything that you expect out of a stand-on unit.
Where do you charge this thing? Where's the...
So this unit has a charging port right here in the front.
Okay.
That's going to give you that 120 or 220 capability charge on. And so it's really just to plug in the front.
Okay.
Get you going there.
Nice. Next we have
over here our Evo 74-inch deck.
Wow, nice.
So you're getting a lot of work done here. We got the rear discharge here, which is another cool feature. We're not worried about the side discharge or anything on the side. You got everything coming out the rear, which is really good.
Okay, what are these pedals right here?
So the pedals here, you have the capability to adjust your deck with your feet, as well as the standard adjustment that you could do on the screen as well.
Electronic height control.
Yes.
Gotcha. And I see you have a, what is it, a 36?
So we have our 36 compact. These are good for those backyards, those tight spaces.
Yeah, I know about these.
A little size lower is a 32 that's offered as well. But between the 32 and 36, us guys out that are cutting on the field know that this gets the job done for us pretty well.
No, definitely.
And you're getting 7 hours runtime out of the smaller unit as well.
Oh, okay. Nice. All right, and I think last but not least.
And so the big boy here is the Evo 96. So talk about getting a lot of work done at once. This monster here, it cuts beautiful, gets the job done. You got a lot of bells and whistles on here that come standard with this unit. And just being able to have that capability where you can move the wings up brings you down to a 74 width with the main deck, and now you can load it up in your standard trailer, no problem.
Okay. I know I'm putting you on the spot here, but what is the warranty on these things?
So warranty you're getting on all these units is 5 years. 5 years on everything within the unit, inside out.
Okay. 5 years. Nice, nice. All right, guys. Well, you know, if you want any more info in regards to the Mean Green Mowers, please put your comment in the comment section, and we will try to answer them as, you know, as much as possible. Other than that, guys, have a blessed one. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.